the most asked question over my channel, that coming from a Hindi medium school, how did I learn English spoken? So let's talk about the problem first. Why most people do not get fluent ever? Number one thing is that few people try to learn English by watching Hindi speaking videos. And by watching Hindi, you cannot learn English spoken. You can only gain your knowledge, but when it comes to adapting it, when it comes to applying it in your real life, you will never remember those things. Instead, when you watch the content in English, like for vlogs, I'm talking about for beginning, if you can't understand English, so start watching videos which has easy English spoken, or they have the subtitles. Use the subtitles button and then watch the videos. So when you watch it, when you remember a vocabulary with the context, that the girl got angry, so she said, I'm furious right now. When she was excited, she said, I'm ecstatic right now. She was happy. So in that context, you learn, your brain learns. It goes into the subconscious mode and your brain learns how to react in certain situation. And that's how the words, the sentences automatically come. You do not have to force yourself. You do not have to make efforts for that. Right now I'm just speaking whatever is here. I haven't prepared anything. So that's the first and most important thing, is start learning English. Initially you can gain knowledge about tenses. That's it. Or few models or determiners. That's it. After that you have to start watching English videos. That's how you will learn English, by changing your environment. Now second problem is that you're only watching videos. You're gaining knowledge, you're watching vlogs. So there are so many people who are literally able to understand English spoken. They are watching my videos and they can get every single word. But when it comes to speaking, they lack at it. Why? Because they are practicing their listening practice and they have become good at it. But they haven't started doing their speaking practice. For actually speaking, you will have to do the speaking practice. In the beginning, you fumble, you make mistake, it's okay. You will utter some words, but slowly it will happen. That's how I started. It took me 10 years. If I say it, I have been learning English, I have been speaking English for 10 years, and after that I have come this far. So I think you have to practice it, and this is something I really love, so it will go on for the rest of my life. So I can also say that it's been 20 years that I have been learning English. So it will get better with time, but yeah, start speaking. If you want to learn swimming, will you do the how do I do it? I'm swimming. Okay, do your hands like that. You'll actually go into that pool and start experiencing how to handle the water. If you want to learn the driving, you will learn the sentences like, oh, this is how we ride. You'll actually drive, sit on that driving seat and start how to put the accelerator, the brake, I hope you're getting my point. So for speaking, start speaking. Next point is, they don't start speaking because they are literally so afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are the part of life. You are not doing anything wrong to anyone. You are just making a mini mistake. It's on yourself. And that's what also you're doing because you are trying. Some people who are not trying, who are not making any mistake, they are just passing their time. But you want to grow. So for growing, you'll have to make some efforts. Okay, you are afraid, then don't talk to anyone else. Start practicing by yourself only. Do the self-talk practice mostly with the mirror, with ChatGPT, because whatever I have to search, I just record videos over ChatGPT. So it's a great thing. It's a great thing. And I have to make a list, so I make in English. I journal, I'll write down my thoughts, I write it in English. I talk to the mirror. I make videos. That's the best part. When I make videos, it's my practice English. It's my English speaking practice happening. So it's a win-win situation for me. I'm uploading videos, I'm practicing it, I'm improving. Yeah, so this is something you should start doing. And the fourth and the most, not the least, okay, this mistake is the biggest mistake, that so many people wait for the perfect time, that when the perfect time will come, I will start it. I will start speaking English one day. I will start. They are always like, I will start. They are waiting for the perfect time when they will speak a word. Speaking a single word, and you're waiting for years. Wait, just speak it for 5 minutes and get it done. Why you have to wait for the years to start literally speaking? I speak so much in my whole day. You speak so much in your whole day. So what's wrong if you incorporate some English words? Okay, you are afraid of a full sentence. Start incorporating some single words like bucket, anything. Start mini. Bucket, mobile phone. If I see something here, I can't see any. Water bottle, tiffin box, kitchen, room, dining area, bathroom. I mean, just start mini. You will not be fluent in one day. So, but one day you will be if you start, or if you give that day one to it. And thank you so much for giving your precious time. I will see you in my next video.